select the Quick Selection tool, press W. Press Z button, select the Zoom tool. Make a selection, T-shirt selection, and right-click to fit on screen. Create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J. Go to File, Place Embedded. Select the T-shirt logo, then place. Right, create a clipping mask. Change the blend mode, multiply. Double-click to open blending option, adjustment underlying. Hold the Alt key. Press Z button, then zoom in. I show you before and after result. I have already cut out T-shirt. First, change the layer name. Go to File and create a new documents. Click to generate image. Then write a prompt. Just click to automatic generate T-shirt pattern. Select the 3 variations. Right to convert to Smart Object. Make a selection, press Ctrl+A, then pattern copy, press Ctrl+C. Past the T-shirt pattern, press Ctrl+V. Hold the Alt key. Create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode, multiply. Right, create a clipping mask. Again, create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode, multiply. Double-click to open blending option. Hold the Alt key. Open the Levels. Press the Create a Clipping Mask and Adjustment Levels. I will show you before and after result.